Hi guys, welcome to New Growth Naturals Hub. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY avocado deep conditioning mask for your natural hair. What are the benefits of avocado hair mask? It moisturizes your hair and leaves it feeling soft, smooth and shiny, adds volume and definition to hair, tames frizziness and flyaways, make detangling easy, nourishes and encourages stronger and faster growth, reduces dandruff, and promotes healthy scalp. So this is what you need to make your DIY avocado mask. A ripe avocado, coconut milk, honey. In this I'll be using sweet almond oil and peppermint essential oil, but you can use any oil of your choice or any essential oil of your choice. So I open it and my avocado is overripe. Don't pay attention to the black spots. The fact that you're going to use it on your hair is even better for your hair when it's overripe. So I'm taking the seed out at this moment. After I took the seed out, I'm going to take a spoon to scoop out the inside of the avocado. Here I am adding my coconut milk, and coconut milk is good in your hair. It's high in lauric acid. It's the main ingredients in coconut milk. It's high in protein, high in vitamins C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. Slows hair loss, restores dry hair and scalp, and get rid of dandruff. Here I am adding my sweet almond oil. Almond oil is rich in magnesium, calcium, zinc, and oil, which is important for healthy hair. Using this oil can also help improve the condition of your scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness, as well as improving the texture of your hair, even the amount of hair that you lost.